The importance of automation technology for classical machine builders is growing and growing, and that's where Mechatronics Concept Design and virtual commissioning comes into the game. Mechatronics Concept Design is an engineering tool integrating the mechanical design and the automation department into one solution where you're able to develop your mechatronics and mechanical things, and you are able at the end to test your real automation solution based on the virtual machine in your Mechatronics Concept Designer. EasyLog is an engineering service provider and a Siemens PLM software solution provider, and we are focused on simulation and virtual commissioning solutions and services. We are able to connect real automation controllers like PLC or numerical controls to MCD for testing the real automation software. The classical approach of delivering new machines is doing the design, and then the automation department is developing their software in the office, and later on site at the customer side the software is tested. With all of the risks of producing crashes, sometimes you don't have the pieces to produce, so you need to wait. So a classical software test and development on site at the machine is a very unproductive process. The mechanical design department and automation design department worked totally independent. And that's what's changed now by Mechatronics Concept Designer, the only tool on the market integrating into a mechanical design tool all the support for automation design and automation software testing. It is changing the whole development process because you're able to do like a test-driven development of automation software, because you have always a very detailed model of your automation solution and you're able to connect your real controllers to it. Based on all the Siemens knowledge, we are able to emulate a machine totally realistic, and PLC and C controllers won't see any difference if they are controlling a real or virtual machine. That's very important for the automation engineers because they want to be able to test 100% their real PLC code. Your virtual machine is behaving like the real one, and it's easy to use. Because it's integrated into the CAD system, you are able to change certain parts of the design while you are testing your automation software. So if your mechanical design doesn't fit to your automation software, you have got two possibilities, whether to change the software or to change part of the design. The value for our customers is that they are able to test quickly after the design team started their work, their software development based on the design team's results. So you don't need to export the CAD design to another tool. You don't need to build up a special model in a special software. You are able to work integrated fully based on the results of the design team. One time a customer told me that he's totally happy with this new solution because he, as a PLC programmer, is able now to test on a daily basis what he did to develop his software based on a real detailed model of the machine. That's a thing what he wasn't able to do before. Mechatronics Concept Designer is reducing the risk of a line builder for delivering solutions which are maybe not working as they should on site. With this technology, customers are now able to deliver their machines faster with a higher quality in their automation solutions. For example, the commissioning time on the real machine could be reduced up to a third of the original time, and that saves money and also time. Today, virtual commissioning is a relatively new approach, but I'm totally convinced that virtual commissioning will be a standard process in a few years in all machinery companies.